Modern Science's Perspectives on Reichenbach's Odic Force by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The study of natural phenomena has significantly evolved over the years, leading to the emergence of modern science. Throughout this journey, numerous theories and concepts have been put forward, debated and sometimes accepted or challenged by the scientific community. One such concept is Reichenbach's Odic force, proposed by German chemist Baron Carl von Reichenbach 1788 to 1869 in the mid-19th century. Reichenbach's Odic force is a hypothetical energy or force that was centred around the notion of a subtle force permeating our natural environment. Reichenbach argued that this elusive force interacted with human senses, manifesting itself in various forms such as auras and energy fields. He conducted extensive experiments on individuals who claimed to have heightened sensitivities to certain phenomena such as magnetism and electricity. He believed that these individuals could perceive an invisible energy that he called the Odic force. According to Reichenbach, this force was responsible for various psychic and paranormal phenomena, including mesmerism and clairvoyance. However, it is important to note that modern science does not recognise the existence of the Odic force, as it lacks empirical evidence of modern standard and does not conform to our current understanding of physics and natural laws. Though it gained attention during its time, Reichenbach's Odic force faced scepticism from the scientific community due to the lack of empirical evidence and the perceived occult nature of his research. This is despite the fact that Reichenbach conducted numerous experiments meticulously documenting his findings and creating a considerable body of evidence to support his claims. Comparisons are often made between Reichenbach's Odic force and Wilhelm Reich's orgone energy, but these are two distinct concepts within the realm of scientific enquiry. While there may be some similarities between the two, it is important to note that they are not considered to be the same. Reichenbach's Odic force refers to a hypothetical energy that he believed could be detected and manipulated by certain individuals. On the other hand, Wilhelm Reich's orgone energy, an idea developed in the mid-20th century, is a controversial concept that suggests the existence of a universal life force that permeates all living organisms. This is closer to the concept of prana found in Eastern religions and philosophies. Despite potential overlaps in their ideas, it is crucial to acknowledge that these two concepts emerged at different times and were developed by different individuals within the scientific community. Therefore, while further research and exploration may shed light on potential connections between Odic force and orgone energy, it is currently more accurate to consider them as separate entities within modern science. Since Reichenbach's time, the scientific method has become more rigorous and demanding of empirical evidence. Modern science upholds the core principles of skepticism, reproducibility, and verifiability. Consequently, it has shaped scientific enquiry to rely on strong experimental designs, controlled variables, and statistical analyses. These advancements encourage scientists to critically scrutinise any claims that don't conform to these stringent criteria. In the light of these advancements, the scientific community's view on Reichenbach's Odic force has largely shifted towards scepticism and rational enquiry. Modern scientists regard it as an interesting historical curiosity and acknowledge Reichenbach's contributions to early scientific thinking. However, in the absence of robust empirical evidence and conclusive studies, the Odic force has not gained recognition as a scientifically valid concept. It is important to note that modern scientific perspectives on the Odic force are not absolute and can vary among individuals. Some researchers may still find Reichenbach's ideas intriguing, leading them to explore related areas or formulate alternative hypotheses. However, The general consensus within the scientific community is that further evidence is needed to establish the existence and nature of the Odic force as a scientifically viable concept. Despite the skepticism, Reichenbach's Odic force has had a selective influence on certain areas of study. It sparked interest in the concept of energy fields, which later found resonance in quantum physics and related disciplines. Today, the concept of energy fields is approached through different scientific frameworks, such as electromagnetic fields, gravitational fields, and quantum field theory. While Reichenbach's Odic force has not gained widespread acceptance with modern science, it remains an intriguing topic of historical significance. Its proponents argue that science should maintain an open-minded stance, enabling exploration of uncharted territories. Nevertheless, until conclusive empirical evidence emerges, the Odic force is unlikely to be embraced as a mainstream scientific concept. But it is possible that as science evolves to seek explanations for phenomena currently regarded as psychic or paranormal, the concept of Odic force may be revisited.